Right. The Jia Hao Washi Kevin, and I'm super excited to be on Bilibili and bring all of you guys in China my video content. So to all you fans out there, thank you for watching. So guys, my channel is basically aimed at creating awareness to the plight of the lion in captivity and in the wild, and bringing to the fore the conservation issues that they face. And I hope to do so in a educational and informative way, but also in an exciting and fun way, just to bring you insight into the lives of these wonderful animals and show you a different side of them. So I hope you'll join me on my journey as I go on all these different adventures with these amazing, majestic animals. So please do subscribe and follow and like. Jide Guan Zhu Wo, Jil Jian San Liam. Like and subscribe.